Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the JBL PartyBox Encore 2 speaker and I'm going to tell you the top tricks about this device. So as you can see, for me the most impressive top trick and feature is that here we have the microphone, which is the very crystal clear, and for me it's the best microphone out of all the microphones with the speakers I've tested. Apart from that, we have in this speaker the bass boost option, which can we manage in the application. For example, we can set it to pitchy or deep bass. As you can see with the button, we can manage it too. Apart from that, we have an application for our mobile phone, both Android and iOS device. And with this application, we can manage all the settings about our microphone and about our speaker. Apart from that, we have a lot of ports on the back of our speaker, and we can plug in a lot of cool things like guitar, etc. And we have a lot of cool features like, for example, removable battery, or we can charge our phone using the speaker. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.